Hey guys, I'm Nick and this is my channel. Today I'm going to be installing the VViVid Air Tint film on the taillights of my 2013 Honda CR-V. I just wanted to do like a how-to video and give like a personal review on it and let you know how easy it is to work with, or if it's easy to work with at all. It's like winter right now, so I'm doing this in the garage with this space heater. So hopefully that won't negatively impact this. I have a heat gun, so we'll see how this goes. I had to cut the film in two pieces because this headlight is two different pieces, and this one is actually too long for me to do it widthways, so I had to cut it the long way so I can have enough coverage and enough excess on the side. And then the other one, there's enough length for me to do it this way. So let's get started. To do this right, I realized I'm gonna have to open my trunk to do it, to get around this edge right here. All right, so I got this first part done here. Actually, I did this side first, so I made sure I got some experience with this stuff before I fumbled around with it on a video. So I laid the flat side down first, and then I hit it with the heat gun to bend it around this curve here, and it pretty much laid itself when I went with it with my squeegee I got in this Amazon kit for like $7.99. Came with a squeegee, gloves, and an X-Acto knife, and it has like velvet on the edge so it won't scratch the stuff up. So yeah, got that edge, and once you like cut it, just cut it at the edge and then hit it with the heat gun so it'll shrink up around the edges and stuff, and then just keep smoothing it down. So I'm very excited. This looks a lot better than the other side, really. So let's do this bottom light. Guys, it's a wrap. I got it done. I'm very pleased with the outcome. Looks very good compared to before. This side was a lot easier to do than the other side. It's just learning the material and learning how to work with it. Getting these curves was a lot easier because I hit it with the heat gun and knew how to stretch it. So I mean, I messed up the first time. I tried doing the headlights and I ripped the stuff, so order more than you think you'll need just in case, because it sucks to only order enough and then not have enough when you ruin some of it. So that was this video. I'm probably going to do the headlights in another video. If you like this, if you thought it was helpful on helping you make a decision, give that like button a business. So until next time.